Once again, we're in our GF1031 southeastmadison.dwg file. We're now in a position to think about plotting our layout tab that we created with our page setup. So let's go down to the ISO A1 landscape layout tab. We've got our viewports in place, all our annotative dimensions are in place, our viewports are where we want them to be, our title block is positioned exactly on the sheet due to the page setup. Now, you can plot from numerous different locations in AutoCAD. You can plot from the Output tab. So in the plot panel here, I can click on Preview. That'll preview what I'm going to plot. I can right-click and plot on the shortcut menu. If I hit Escape, I can also plot here from the little menu bar in the preview. I'll close the preview by clicking on the little red cross. Now, that's one way of plotting. I can also right-click here on the actual layout tab itself and go to plot there. That will open up the plot dialog and I can click on preview here. And as you can see, that all looks good. I could then perhaps right click, I can plot again, or I can exit, and I can click on OK to plot there if I want to. If I click on cancel there, we've also got the new menus in the later versions of AutoCAD here. So if I click there, you'll notice I can select all layouts, of which there's only two. And if I select them and then click on that menu again, I can actually publish all of those selected layouts. I'm not going to do that, but that's another way of plotting if I had more than one layout in the drawing that actually had a title block and viewports, etc. So what I'll do there now is I'll just click away from that, hit escape a couple of times. Now, I don't actually need them selected anymore, so how do I get rid of that blue? Well, what I can do there is just jump back to the Model tab, click on it now, and you'll notice they've reset. So I'll go back to the ISO A1 landscape like so. Now, if I just right-click on the Layout tab again and go to Plot, you'll notice that all of the settings that the Plot command has adopted are from my page setup. So when I start creating multiple page setups, they will appear in this list here. Notice I can also import page setups from other drawings as well if I need to. So once you've got that all set up, it's just a case of previewing it, sanity checking it, making sure your viewports layer is set not to plot, etc. And you click on OK and it will plot quite happily. I'm not going to plot it, but that's how it works. If I did plot it, it would just plot out to a PDF file so that I can communicate my design intent to my project team.